Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple but helpful process on WhatsApp for PC, how to clear messages in a channel with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your chats while still keeping the channel intact, this step-by-step tutorial is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, take a moment to look through your sidebar, where all your conversations and channels are displayed. Scroll through until you find the specific channel you want to clean up. When you've located the channel, place your cursor over it. Now, instead of clicking to open it, simply right-click on the chat. This will bring up a small menu of options. In the latest version of WhatsApp, you'll see a clear and straightforward option called Clear Messages. Select this option, and WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm the action. This is an important step because it ensures you don't accidentally remove messages by mistake. Look at the prompt carefully and confirm that you really want to clear the messages from that channel. Once you confirm, all the messages in the channel will disappear, leaving you with a blank chat space. Keep in mind that this only clears the messages on your device. It won't remove the channel itself, and it doesn't delete the channel for other users. You're simply clearing your own view of the chat content. This feature is especially useful when you want to keep your WhatsApp organized, free from clutter, or ready for a fresh start. Instead of deleting the entire channel or scrolling endlessly through old updates, this quick action gives you a clean slate in just a few seconds. And that's all it takes. Open WhatsApp, find your channel, right-click, choose to clear messages, and confirm. Simple, fast, and effective. If keeping WhatsApp neat and easy to navigate matters to you, this update will definitely make your experience much smoother. Give it a try the next time you feel your channels are too full. Thanks for watching.